Let's see another problem based on compound interest. Rakesh lends rupees 75,000 at compound interest for 3 years if the rate of interest for the first 2 years is 15% per year and for the third year it is 16%. What do we have to calculate? The sum Rakesh will get at the end of the third year. Remember that we have to find out the sum that Rakesh will get at the end of the third year. Now this question is based on the difference of the rate in different years. Let's start solving the problem. Interest for the first year. Principal as it is given in the question, 75,000 time 1 year, and rate is 15% per annum. Let us find interest using the formula PTR by 100. We'll just replace the values. When we simplify it further, we will get the interest as rupees 11,250. So this is the interest for the first year, 11,250 rupees. What is the next step? We have to find the amount for the first year. Amount for the first year, and you know what's the formula? Principal plus interest. So we just replace the values here. When we replace the value of principal plus interest, 75,000 plus 11,250, we will get the amount for the first year as rupees 86,250. So this is the amount for the first year. The next step is to find the interest for the second year. The principal for the second year will be the amount of the first year. Rupees 86,250, time is 1 year, rate will be 15% per annum, because if you see the question, it says that the rate of interest for the first 2 years is 15% per year. For the first 2 years will be same, the rate will be same. That's why we have taken R or rate as 15% per annum. Let us find the interest. Using the formula PTR by 100, we'll just replace the values. After replacing the values and simplifying it further, we will get the interest for the second year as rupees 12,937.5. Now we have to find the amount for the second year. The formula is principal plus interest. We'll just replace the values of principal and interest. When we replace the values of principal plus interest, we will get the total sum as the amount for the second year. That will be rupees 99,187.5 or 50 paise. Rupees 99,187 and 50 paise. So this is the amount for the second year. Now what do we have to find next? We have to find for 3 years, right? So the next is we have to find the interest for the third year. The principal is 99,187.50 paise, time is 1 year, rate is taken as 16% here. Now why is rate taken as 15%? If you go back to the question and see there, the rate for the third year is 16% per year. That is why we have taken R or rate as 16% per annum. So we'll find the interest using the formula PTR by 100. We'll just replace the values. After replacing the values and simplifying it further, we will get the interest for the third year as rupees 15,870. This is the interest for the third year, rupees 15,870. Next, we have to find the amount for the third year using the formula principal plus interest. We'll just replace the values. Alright, principal is 99,187.5 plus interest is 15,870. When we add these two values, we get the amount for the third year as rupees 1,15,057 and 50 paise. This is the amount for the third year, 1,15,057 rupees and 50 paise. Hence, the sum Rakesh will get at the end of third year is 1,15,057 rupees and 50 paise. Keep on practicing. See the video again and again if you have not understood it. And there is a homework for you. Alright, complete this homework.